Okay. Well, these are part of this. So I think it's given up on this main thing. We're just going to take that out. There we go. Oh yeah. Half of that is black. Okay. Okay, so leave that there, and then we got this whole new tree starting here. That's a good thing. Okay. Come out to do something that should take 5 minutes. Half an hour later, you haven't even started on it. Hi, Judd here. You knew I was here. You've been watching me. Okay, change of plans. I just looked this all over. I got this cleaned up. My Mexicans here. Still got a couple of little touches there to do, but I had to go down and switch the water. I had the water running on the Sansevieria, but I was just looking over this whole mess in here. And the side of the porch, and the roof of the porch. I got some work to do on. I decided I'll go back to my original plan. I'm going to take out the plants that are alive, which is basically my cactus. Everything else in there, except for a piece of the dragon fruit, everything else in there is pretty much dead. Again, except for where the baby millions, $1 million babies came in. In that area, I don't need to do anything to. But the rest of this, I had wanted to dig up and clean out before Lucinda ever started on this, and I didn't get the chance. She just showed up one day, like I was expecting her a week later, and she was there the next morning, and I had just put a shovel into this and hadn't gotten anywhere. So I'm trying to dig this up while she's planting. So I'm going to take the good plant, which is about what it amounts to, out of here. I'm going to go to Walmart, get a big pot to put that in for the meantime, and dig up this whole area and clean it out real good, rebuild this side of the porch, and then start it all over from scratch. Right now I'm thinking I'm going to make this my stump garden, put all my stumps. I love my stumps. Put my stumps in here and then put cactus type stuff in here, agave plant, anything that likes a lot of sun. Have it sparsely distributed amongst the stumps. You know, like people have a rock garden. I'm going to have a stump garden. And I also realized I can go down to the Sansevieria dump and I can put all sorts of stuff in front of that. Lucinda, think about that. You can go down there and plant. Also, Lucinda, if you're watching, I need monkey grass along the whole front of this thing. See, I put some in over here, just over my left shoulder. And I need to line the whole front of this thing with that. There we go. Give you a peek at the cleaned up thing. And I think there's some mothers, billion-dollar babies here. So that's all cleaned up there. I got all the crap out of here. But also there's this thing, which I think is a keeper. I'm not sure. But I don't think that's a weed, an unwanted weed, as opposed to the wanted weeds. And over to the right there are some jade. Looks like jade. Down there, that looks like jade. And billion-dollar babies, maybe. I don't know. Whatever it is, we got some stuff happening here fairly cleanly. And we'll just go with that. And I got to get a new scoop. My scoop broke. And there we go. And that's that. So there you go. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I'm wiped out. The last week has killed me. But I feel good now. I'm just very tired. So I'm rambling. I'm rambling again. I'm pulling weeds. I think Lucinda should come back and weed the garden now. And I've upset thousands of ants. Thousands of ants here I've upset greatly. But you know what? They recover. I don't think do ants have a memory? Let me tell you this. All these weeds among the stonework, that is going to be one big pain in the butt. So that's, I think that covers about everything. So, happy day to you. Okay, so I did a bit more. You know, it's hard to stop. It's like potato chips. It's hard to stop once you start. I'm back. Been to Walmart and back, and I'm out with my root slayer because we are going to slay some roots. And I got buckets. 2 buckets. They were $3 each. Good sized buckets. Bigger than the ones I can make out of pop bottles. So I can put my cactus thing in there. And I got a new trowel. And the metal trowels were $8 plus. These were 94 cents. And they've got a measuring scale on them. Might come in handy sometimes. So I bought 2. Because 94 cents, what the heck. So we're going to go dig up a cactus. You never know what you're going to get here. Big pot. Okay, that was good. Oh, hello. Now we'll go out back. And get the agave Maria. The agave will go in the other pot. Take my shovel and bucket, root slayer, and go agave hunting. The agave is going to get too rooted here if I leave it in here. Whew, baby. It is gorgeous out. Okay, so. Root slayer. Whoops. I forgot about the other agave. Hey, bunny. There's Yard Bunny. See Yard Bunny? Hi, bunny. Hi, bunny. Bunny, bunny, bunny. These are the remains of my cactus. And I only got 2 pots, so... Weed. There we go. Remember my Mickey Mouse cactus and my starfish cactus? They are just kaput. Yeah, there's the remains of my starfish cactus. There's nothing left. Oh, actually that might do something. I'll put that in there. Maybe that'll come back. Okay. Happy day to you. Where's my yard bunny? I'll go play with my yard bunny. Yard bunny, here, bunny, 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 bunny.